Welcome to YouTube channel Lingareddy Chemistry JE NEET. Today topic is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. NEET PYQ question from 2011 to 2007 we are going to discuss. This is the lecture 2. In the lecture 1 we discussed from 2017 to 2012 we discussed already. That is lecture 1. Now this is lecture 2 we are going to discuss now. Question number 21. A Clemmensen reduction of ketone is carried out in the presence of which of the following? Which of the following? Direct question is a Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. The both reductions are from carbonyl compound to alkanes. One is Clemmensen, the other one is Wolff-Kishner. So here Clemmensen reduction, zinc amalgam HCl. Zinc amalgam HCl is a Clemmensen. The Wolff-Kishner reduction is there, hydrazine NH2 hydrazine in the presence of basic medium hota hai. Okay, that is also giving same product. This is the Clemmensen, this is the Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner. Right? Next, question number 22. In a set of reaction, meta-bromobenzoic acid gave a product D. Identify the product D. This is the meta-bromobenzoic acid. See here, SOCl2 का functioning क्या है? SOCl2 just removing this OH from carboxylic acid and from alcohol. SOCl2 का functioning ये होता है RC double bond OH. From these two compounds, if you use the SOCl2, you will get RCl and RC double bond OCl. This is the functioning of that. So here we are getting acid chloride, we are getting C double bond OCl. Then it is reaction with NH3. It is reaction with NH3. I am writing here NH3. Just this chlorine and hydrogen removing as HCl. So it is forming amide. It is forming amide. So your product is C is the amide. Okay. Then this amide reaction with NaOH and bromine. NaOH and bromine. This is the Hoffman degradation or Hoffman bromide reaction. बोलते हैं इसका. Amide to amine it will give. Amide to amine. Simply this CO is escaping. This CO is removing. So RNH2 is forming. So here this benzoic acid became benzyl chloride, benzamide. Then it is just NH2 is forming here. So bromine का कुछ नहीं होता है, bromine as it is. So your answer will be C. Your answer will be C. You can see this in the regular class also we discussed here. These all type of questions. Next, question number 23. The order of reactivity of phenyl magnesium bromide with following compounds. See, same concept questions are repeating. In the last video also reactivity based question is there. Again here also. See, in the phenyl magnesium bromide, phenyl minus magnesium bromide plus. In the carbonyl compounds, generally nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. So nucleophile is attacking first. So where the nucleophile will attack? Obviously wherever electron deficiency is there. See, almost सब carbonyl में ये delta negative होता है, carbon is delta plus. That means partially positive and partially negative. So now where the at which carbon maximum positive charge is there. See here, this positive charge is there, but this is a benzene ring. Benzene ring giving electrons to carbon. OB 2 benzene rings are there plus mesomery groups. So here the positive electron deficiency will be fulfilled by these two benzene rings. So there is no positive charge. Nucleophile cannot attack here क्योंकि तो positive charge है ही नहीं. Here two methyl groups are donating. Here only one methyl group is donating. So obviously In the first carbon, more electron deficiency is there, so nucleophile can attack easily. So first is higher reactive than the last. Okay, first is highest, third is least. Third least में तो दो है, first is highest means D is your answer. Understood? So if you want resonance, I will show you. This is the last one. Two benzene rings are there. See, whenever this negative, it is a positive hota hai, immediately this benzene is giving electrons. So your resonance structure is like this. Oxygen minus, here benzene ring as it is there. I am writing one benzene resonance here. This carbon getting positive charge here like this. So here double bond, this carbon getting double bond. So final conclusion क्या है, ये कार्बन के ऊपर there is no positive charge. So nucleophile cannot attack here. Okay, that is the reason. So answer is D. Is it clear? 4. Match the following compounds given in list 1 with list 2 and select the suitable option using the code given below. Benzaldehyde and benzoin condensation is a named reaction. Benzoin condensation. What will happen in the benzoin condensation? So it is a benzaldehyde we are taking. It is a reaction with KCN, K plus Cn minus. It is giving benzoin condensation. Two benzene rings. One is C double bond O, COH, again benzene ring. Okay, so here hydrogen. This is the benzoin. This is called benzoin. So here benzaldehyde we are using. That's why it is the first is relevant to second. Then taulic anhydride. Taulic anhydride में taulic anhydride ठीक है. It is a phenolphthalein is there. Phenolphthalein में phenol plus taulic anhydride. Taulic anhydride is there. Anhydride. So I will write this is the phenolphthalein. This is the phenolphthalein. ये कैसे बन गया? Phenol plus taulic anhydride. So this is the relevant to 2. Sorry, it is relevant to 1. This is the 2. Okay, then phenyl benzoate and methyl salicylate. This methyl salicylate directly it is known as oil of wintergreen. So phenyl benzoate undergoing rearrangement, that is freeze rearrangement. ये सब named reaction है almost. It's not IUPAC name, it is a common name, but in the nomenclature you will learn it. Okay, once you go through this A to B1, C4, D3, right? So your answer will be D. An organic compound A on treatment with NH3 gives B, which on heating gives C. C when treated with bromine in the presence of KOH produces ethylamine. What is the compound A? See here, compound A reacting with NH3 and giving B. Right? B on heating it is giving C. Then C treated with bromine in the presence of KOH is giving ethylamine. CH3, CH2, NH2. ethylamine is giving. देखो ये reagent है हाफमैन डिग्रेडेशन और हाफमैन ब्रोमाइड रिएक्शन बोलते हैं इसका. इसमें क्या होता है, अमाइड टू अमाइन इज फॉर्मिंग, वो CO निकालते हैं. सो दैट मीन्स CH3 CH2 एज इट इज. इसमें C डबल बॉन्ड वो एक्स्ट्रा था, राइट, अमाइड. अभी अमाइड बन गया, हीट करे, सो बाय हीटिंग वी गॉट इट अमाइड. सो इट वुड फॉर्मेशन हो गया, मतलब ऑब्वियसली इट शुड बी कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. CH3 CH2 C double bond O OH plus NH3. Okay, NH3 तो already है. So number of carbons. What is this? 1, 2, 3. Propanoic acid. 1, 2, 3. Propanoic acid. Your answer will be D. Your answer will be D. Next. Which of the following reaction will not result in the formation of carbon-carbon bonds? Carbon-carbon bond किसमें formation नहीं होता है? See here, Ramer-Tiemann reaction में salicylaldehyde is there, so benzene के ऊपर CHO ऐसा अटैक होता है, मतलब CC bond is forming. Cannizzaro reaction में C double bond O is converting into just कीटोन is converting into alkanes. इसमें कोई CC bond नया bond formation नहीं है, so this is the answer. उर्ज reaction में क्या होता है? Lower carbon chain, suppose alkyl halide is there, ये 4 carbon chain बनते हैं, so CC bond is forming. Friedel-Crafts alkylation में क्या होता है? बेंजीन के ऊपर कोई acyl group is there, C double bond O CH3 like this, so CC bond is there. Only B में there is no CC bond formation, so 26th question B is the answer. Cannizzaro reaction. Next, 27. Acetamide is treated with the following reagents separately. Which one of these would yield methylamine? Same concept, just now we discussed Hoffman bromide reaction. Whenever you are getting amide to amine, amide to amine means that is only amide to amine. Okay, so what is the reagent? Generally KOH or NaOH we can take plus bromine. Plus bromine. So sometimes we can take like this NaOH also. So your answer will be A. Okay, soda lime क्या होता है? Soda lime होता है minus CO2, decarboxylation होता है, ये OH के जगह पे उस Cl होता है, then concentrated H4 में minus H2O, dehydration होता है. So answer is A. Next, 28. Among the given compounds, the most susceptible to nucleophilic attack at the carbonyl group. Same repeated question. ये भी हाँ थोड़ा options different है. See, the reactivity is asking nuclear group, leaving group is directly proportional to low basic strength. Low basic strength. This is the main point here. Leaving group होना चाहिए. Which are low basic strength ions are there, those are living faster. उसके लिए एक hint point ये है, strong acid giving weak base. Strong acid is giving weak base. Suppose HCl is there, ये strong acid है, इससे बनने वाला conjugate base Cl minus is weak base. Okay, so here it is Cl minus, then here living group is CH3 C double bond OO minus. ये कैसे बन गया? एसिटिक एसिड, वीक एसिड से बन गया, so little bit strong base only. This NH2 also NH2 minus, this is also forming from NH3. Okay, weak base मतलब weak acid मतलब strong base. Next here CH3O minus, how it is forming? Methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol. So this is also weak acid, that means strong base. Strong base, strong base. So ये तो strong acid से बन गया, strong acid, this is the weak base. Okay, तो Cl minus, acetate minus, NH2 minus, CH3O minus, ये सब में weak base is Cl minus. Understood now? Now the main point is leaving group is directly proportional to low basic strength, or leaving group inversely proportional to basic strength. Okay, ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. So which is leaving easily? Cl minus is leaving easily. Then obviously nucleophile here it can attack easily. See here, suppose here renucleophile is there, this nucleophile is attacking here, means easily chlorine leaving, means obviously more reactive. So your answer will be D. Acid chlorides are highly reactive than the remaining carboxylic acid derivatives. Understood why? What is the reason? The leaving group is directly proportional to low basic strength. Okay, next. Which one of the following compound will be most readily dehydrated? देखो इसमें डिहाइड्रेशन के लिए क्या चाहिए, पहले प्रोटोनेशन होता है, प्रोटोनेशन हो गए तो H2O निकलते हैं, कार्बोकेटायन फॉर्मेशन होता है, तो सब में कार्बोकेटायन, वेयर विच कार्बोकेटायन इज मोर स्टेबल वो देखना है. सो कार्बोनाइल के एडजेसेंट पे C प्लस दैट इज अनस्टेबल. ओके, मतलब ये भी अनस्टेबल है. सो बच गए तो इसमें एक ही है 29C. सो यस, कभी भी C plus is more stable when electron donating groups are there, when C minus is stable when electron withdrawing groups are there. Sorry, electron donating, EDG, electron donating groups, electron withdrawing groups. क्योंकि इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी है, कोई डोनेटिंग ग्रुप है तो स्टेबल होगा, इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेस है, इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन लेने वाला है तो it is more stable, electron withdrawing groups, right? So final conclusion है कभी भी neutral is more stable, right? Next, trichloroacetaldehyde, this is the trichloroacetaldehyde, react with chlorobenzene in the presence of sulfuric acid produces. See, you write this structure CCl3, then C double bond OH. This is also known as chloral बोलते हैं इसका. Then chlorobenzene से reaction है. Just before we written the one reaction, that is phenolphthalein. Okay, so similar type of mechanism here also. ठीक है, क्लोरोबेंजीन में ये पैरा पोजीशन में हाइड्रोजन, जस्ट हियर रिमूविंग वन वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड फॉर्मिंग CCl3 as it is CH. इधर भी एक बेंजीन रिंग एंड क्लोरीन इज देयर, इधर भी एक बेंजीन रिंग एंड क्लोरीन इज देयर, राइट? You can see here one CCl3, another CH. CH के ऊपर two benzene ring and chlorine. CCl3, CH के ऊपर एक chlorobenzene and chlorobenzene. Okay, so this is your answer C. This is also known as DDT. In the haloalkane chapter we learn this. Ending में रहता है dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. Okay, this is the product. Next, propionic acid with bromine phosphorus yield dibromo product. Its structure would be, see, bromine and phosphorus is there, the two carboxylic acid is there, means HVZ reaction, Hell-Wohlert-Zelensky reaction. उसमें क्या होता है, alpha hydrogen replaced by halogen. Okay, so propionic acid CH3CH2, this is the propionic acid, ये alpha carbon होता है, these two hydrogens replaced by bromine. See, where is the answer? C. propionic acid में alpha hydrogens are replaced by bromines. 32. Acetophenone when reacted with a base sodium ethoxide yields a stable compound which has the structure. See, this is the acetophenone structure. This acetophenone is reacting with the base. See, carbonyl compound is reacting with base, मतलब generally दो reaction होता है, एक तो aldol condensation, दूसरा तो Cannizzaro reaction. ठीक है. So alpha hydrogens are there means that is aldol कब होता है, alpha hydrogen should be present. Then alpha hydrogen नहीं तो किनेजरो. See here alpha hydrogens are there, base is there means aldol होगा. This is the aldol condensation mechanism. ठीक है. Now aldol condensation mechanism में very simple product you can write it, yield stable compound which has a structure. ठीक है. aldol में क्या होता है, एक तो बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन होता है, नहीं तो अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड फॉर्मेशन होता है. एक बार देखो इधर बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड है, कोई बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी वाला है नहीं. देन अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड इज देयर, यस अल्फा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड. दिस इज योर आंसर. स्टिल आई विल गिव यू द मैकेनिज्म. ठीक है, योर आंसर इज ओवर. नाउ see I am taking 1 mole of this acetophenone. Now इसमें aldol condensation में just you have to remove the water molecule from one carbonyl compound oxygen, from another carbonyl compound alpha hydrogens. Okay, so just you remove this water molecule like this. Okay, that is your answer. What is the answer here? PH C double bond O CH double bond. ठीक है, here like this is there, one side phenyl. You can see here PH C double bond O, then CH. Next carbon unsaturation is there, C, one side methyl, one side benzene, right? So your answer will be C. Next. Question number 33. A strong base can abstract an alpha hydrogen from. Strong base, वही aldol condensation वाला. CH3 is there. If you use the base, then you will get carbene ion like this, CH2 minus. Okay, alpha position से ही होता है वो हाइड्रोजन. So कीटोन में पॉसिबल है, लेकिन आल्कीन में नहीं होता है, आल्केन में नहीं होता है, अमाइंस में नहीं होता है. सो 33 इज ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. द रिलेटिव रिएक्टिविटी ऑफ असाइल कंपाउंड्स टुवर्ड्स न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन इन द ऑर्डर. अभी डिस्कस किया था पूरा विथ मैकेनिज्म. एसिड क्लोराइड का ज़्यादा रहता है. ठीक है, देन सी एसिड क्लोराइड में क्या होता है, Cl माइनस. अनहाइड्राइड में CH3 COO माइनस. ईस्टर में क्या होता है, CH3 C double bond O C2H5, right? This is the living group. C2H5O माइनस मतलब अल्कोक्साइड. अमाइड में तो NH2 माइनस, राइट. इसमें वीक बेस कौन है? वीक बेस तो एसिड क्लोराइड है. एसिड क्लोराइड तो दो ऑप्शन में है, एसिड क्लोराइड. नेक्स्ट स्ट्रांग बेस कौन है? स्ट्रांग बेस मतलब वीक एसिड से आने वाला बेस, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्जुगेट बेस, दैट इज अ स्ट्रांग बेस होता है. ठीक है, वीक एसिड क्या है इसमें? अल्कोहल और अमाइंस. अमाइंस आर वीक एसिड्स. यस, अमाइंस आर वीक एसिड. वो एक्चुअली तो बेस था, वीक एसिड मतलब NH2 माइनस इज स्ट्रांग बेस, स्ट्रांगेस्ट बेस among these. So amide is less reactive. So your answer will be C. Understood? NH2 minus is forming from NH3 to NH2 minus after losing 1H plus. So this is the weak acid. Weak acid से आने वाला base और strongest base, right? Your answer will be C. Next. 35. Reduction of aldehydes and ketones into hydrocarbon using zinc amalgam constant HCl. ये तो same question repeated है. Clemmensen reduction. In the last क्वेश्चन में आई एक्सप्लेन यू वुल्फ किश्नर का भी क्या होता है, वो हाइड्रोजन इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेसिक मीडियम. ठीक है, ये क्लेमेंसन रिडक्शन. सेम क्वेश्चन रिपीटेड. नेक्स्ट 36. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑन ट्रीटमेंट विथ 50% एक्वस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यील्ड द करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्कोहल. अगेन ऑल्डाल कंडेंसेशन. ओके, ऑल्डाल कंडेंसेशन में 50% aqueous sodium hydroxide yield corresponding alcohol and acid. Okay, sorry, alcohol चाहिए, acid चाहिए. Disproportionation मतलब alpha hydrogen should not be present, that is Cannizzaro reaction होना चाहिए. Cannizzaro, right? क्योंकि alcohol and acid मतलब disproportionation reaction. So that is possible in Cannizzaro. Cannizzaro में alpha hydrogen should not be present. ढूंढो इसमें. बेंजाल्डिहाइड में there is no alpha hydrogen, so possible है. इसमें alpha hydrogen है, so it's not possible. इसमें भी alpha hydrogen not possible. Alpha hydrogens are there, not possible. Your answer will be A. Next 37. The product formed in aldol condensation is direct named reaction. It is, we are getting first product is beta hydroxy carbonyl compound. By heating this you will get alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound we are getting. See, in this chapter maximum one is aldol, then Cannizzaro, these are main important. Cannizzaro, then Wolff-Kishner, Clemmensen, these, and Hoffman bromamide reaction and iodoform reaction. Almost ये 4 questions maximum repeated. ठीक है. Then see once again mechanism for this aldol condensation के लिए. CH3 C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde I am taking, and one more. See, I am taking the base, right? Base में क्या होता है actual mechanism I am writing here. This OH minus taking this alpha hydrogen, so it is forming CH2 minus, carbon ion is forming hydrogen C double bond. ठीक है. This carbon ion is reacting with another carbonyl group. Another carbonyl, I am writing CH3 C double bond OH. One more aldehyde I am taking. So this carbon ion is reacting with this carbonyl. So now CH3CO minus, hydrogen तो as it is, ये नीचे वाला CH2C double bond OH. बस. So already here one water molecule left. Here water molecule left. This water molecule is giving one H plus and forming here OH. Here forming OH. ये क्या हो गया अभी? ये अल्फा पोजीशन है, ये बीटा पोजीशन है, ये गामा पोजीशन है. बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड बन गया, राइट? बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड. ये एल्डिहाइड लिया, नहीं तो कीटोन लेते तो सेम कीटोन, बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन you will get it. If you heat this compound, then water molecule living again, you will get like this CH3 CH double bond CH C double bond OH. Okay, this is the alpha position and beta position. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound you are getting like this. Okay, right. Next 38 compounds, benzyl chloride, सब में तो benzyl chloride है. Then correct decreasing order of their reactivity. Reactivity के लिए क्या बोला था मैं? Here nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. So carbon के ऊपर positive charge should be present. तो सब में तो partially positive charge होगा ही होगा, fixed है partially positive. लेकिन this partially positive charge किस में ज़्यादा होगा? So here electron withdrawing groups are there. Here electron donating group is there. Whenever donating group is there, that is least positive charge here. So न्यूक्लियोफाइल कब अटैक होता है इजीली? व्हेन इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी ज़्यादा है तो इजीली इट कैन अटैक। सो सबसे हाईएस्ट किसका होगा? 2। ओके, सबसे लीस्ट किसका होगा? 3, क्योंकि ये मिथाइल ग्रुप है, प्लस हाइपर कंजुगेशन आल्सो इट इज शोइंग एंड एज वेल प्लस इंडक्टिव आल्सो. What about this group? This is the CHO group. See, I am writing here the structure. It is the aldehyde group. Aldehyde. We are talking about this C double bond O Cl. इसको इलेक्ट्रॉन देते तो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन डेफिशिएंसी कवर हो जाएगा इसमें, लेकिन ये बेंजोल्डिहाइड है, दिस इज आल्सो टेकिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, दिस इज आल्सो टेकिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, सो इट इज आल्सो माइनस मेसोमरिक ग्रुप ओनली. ठीक है, NO2 and aldehyde both are minus mesomeric groups, but NO2 is stronger, that's why 2 is highly reactive than 4. So your answer will be first 2 is more reactive, then 4th. सबसे लीस्ट किसका होगा? थर्ड को होगा, सबसे लीस्ट तो थर्ड होगा, उससे बेटर 1 में कुछ नहीं. 2 4 1 3, 2 4 1 3, that is your answer will be C. Okay, 2 4 1 3. If you have any confusion here, D में 2 तो ज़्यादा है, इतना तो कंफर्म है. सी 1 इज लीस्ट दिया है, 1 इज लीस्ट क्यों? 1 तो लीस्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, इसमें यू कैन कैंसल इट इजीली दिस ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट, थैंक यू. Watch the videos, share, like and subscribe the channel.